Wow, I'm excited. My first lot of bling from Steve arrived today. I was panicking a little bit. It took quite a while, even though I'm only 4 hours away from Malaysia, here in the Philippines. It still took 6 weeks to get here. I could probably swim quicker, but I'm grateful. This is one of many to follow from Steve, who's a great guy. And I'm so excited to open this. Oh. It wasn't what I was expecting. It's my new stand. My super stand, which left way after the other, so I'm a bit confused of where, what and where it is. This will at least make it easier for me to do my bits and pieces. And there she is, the baby. I haven't got it put there again. I'll sure I can work it out. So thanks, Steve. I'll send you a message later, because this has come, which was weeks after the other one, and I haven't got my other bling yet, so I'm a bit concerned that that's gone missing somewhere. So there it is, my magic stand. I have to figure it, that'll be it. Thank you again, Steve. Hope to get the rest of this stuff. I'll message you later, because I am concerned that the other went weeks ago and I haven't seen it as yet. Yeah. Thank you.
So how that will stand? Look like it's short.
Fit underneath. Fits underneath. The bolts there and there. Somehow. I'll figure it out. And it's because the stand that I've got is the stand that comes with it, me being a bit mature in age, a bit heavy to get on. This will slide on like my old Lambretta used to slide on.
Right.
Lot easier to get on and off the stand. Another exciting day at Boho White House. Some more bling from Steve. Yeah. The magic stand came last week and these two rolled up today. I can find my way in. It's well packed. Oh yeah, I think maybe here. Somewhere, I think. Slowly. I'm guessing this is. I'm going to stab myself. I'm guessing this is my rear brake light cover and my battery cover. We're in. Receipt, thank you very much. Oh, more paper. Steve's daughter's a big packer. I think she does it all. And I've got a free newspaper, but it's not in English, so I can't know what they're on about. So there's my new battery cover. A nice sticky tape. Thank you very much. Right, and off we go again. This one's a bit more easy to get into, I think. Should be my storage box cover. Another bit of blinks in here. Looking for my brake light, missed that. my brake light cover. And finally, oh, great, a little bit of instruction there. I've got a bit of work now to fit all this.
Mine will fit on the.
Can you, next time, can you tell your daughter, can I have an English newspaper, please? Yeah, yeah, and there's my nice toolbox cover, or storage cover. Okay, thank you very much, Steve. Give me something to do. Okay. Thank you very much, Steve. I've got some time, so I'm going to fit some of the stainless steel stuff that Steve Ferris has sent me. I cheated a little bit and I got the stuff off. And I'm spinning it off now just to put the tunnel on. Yeah. To make sure I have it the right way around. So, here, just need to check myself. I'm doing it the right way. Here we go. That looks about right, I think. I just need my duster to get my finger marks off. There we are. That's the first bit, Richard. Stop me scratching the blessed paint with my shoes. The next I'm going to fit the rear brake light fitting.
Okay.
So now I've got the rear brake cover, right? So I'm in the process of getting all this 3M sticky stuff off. I cheated a little bit and done this in advance. Peel it off a little bit, make it a little bit easier. And keep the video short. Oops, I've got the bin on the floor. There we are, it's all the bits off. Let's go. Make sure I'm where I should be, which is about centre there, and that's about it. And then I just push down and stop it because I've gone too far. This stuff is really, really bloody sticky. There we are. And the duster. Get my piece up. There you are. And that's stopped now. Make sure I'm perfect where I should be. Oh. There we are. That 3M stuff is really sticky. Right. Now, my next piece is to put the cover on here, which is going to be the difficult one. Peeling off the sticker again. It's critical with this one that we get it in the right position first time. So I've got to get it at the top and make sure my keel it's a bit fiddly, guys, but I think that's about it. Ooh. And need my right to get rid of my dirty fingerprints. Close enough. That should allow it to open. There we are. All starting to look pretty good. Fraction off scent, but it's cool. That's good enough. Yeah. And the final one now is the battery cover. Get rid of all my rubbish. Now the final bit is the battery cover. I'm going to cheat a little bit here. I'm going to put it completely on there, and then when I screw it on, just push it back, and then it should get where it needs to be. So I'm going to put a piece here. Like so, just inside the rubber. Get my finger off it. Perfect. And same again with this side. It saves trying to guess where it is and do a load of stupid measurements. Yeah. We get it there, and then the final one we'll put at the top, if I can get my fingers off it. Like so. Right, I'm clever now. I can fasten this back. This is I'm going to give that a little bit of a squeeze in, so it's rocking all over the place. A bit loose. Somewhere I have a screw. I'm going to try and get the screw first. Bit fiddly, but we're getting there. Again, I've got to get this sort of level and in position, and I should be able to try to screw up. It should. There we are. All fitted. Took me time with that, probably 15 minutes I guess, fiddling about. But there we are. So that's the tool cover or storage box, and the tunnel, which is desperately needed because it tends to be a little bit sort of. I'll push that down a little bit, yeah, so we get a nice bite. There we are. And the battery cover, and finally the brake cover on the back. A little bit fiddly, but no real great problems. Yeah, I've got some more stuff to come, which is I'm changing these rubbers to stainless, and a nice bit on the side here to match, and that should finish off that sort of bling on the scooter. My next thing is to get some spray work done. Spray the top here, spray this here, and some of the front bumper, and then we're getting close to being finished. And please like and subscribe for my wife. Thank you. Right, and as you can see, I fitted the stand that was last week. I'm lying when I said that because I cheated a little bit, and I'm a bit old for rolling around on the floor, so I popped it to my local mechanic, and 5 minutes absolute max. Once I explained what it was, you have to take, I'm English and he's Filipino, so it was a lot of hand language, but we got there in the end, and I'm absolutely over the moon with it. I can do what I could do on my old Lambretta now, back in the 60s. It's more balanced here. It's so easy to get off and on the stand, and I'm actually doing what I did on my old Lambretta, which was to leave it on the stand. Everybody can get on. I don't have to balance or worry about anything. So the missus can get on, or I can get on, and then just gently squeeze the throttle and just roll it straight off, and away we go. Yeah, brilliant piece of kit, well thought out, and definitely does the job. And again, even with having to explain with my hands, 5-6 minutes, it was done. Thanks, Steve. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to put the scooter away now. As you can see, I'm still on the stand. Yeah, and I'm just going to give it a little bit of throttle, and off we go. Right, into my garage. Big time, but we'll get it in there. Yeah, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Steve, for supplying the stuff for me. Thank you. Thank you. I'll put it to bed for the night. So I can see a bit of a finger mark. I must get rid of that. It will annoy me. There we are. All done. Time for a nice banana smoothie. Because even though it's cloudy today, we're still in the 80s here. Hence I'm sweating. Thank you.